I'm back. Hey, did you miss me? I know I missed you. Well, let's just say it's been a long couple of months. Right after the first of the year, had some major issues at my house. I had to get some stuff completely rebuilt. I actually didn't have any water for about 2 weeks. So, yeah, things changed a lot. So we had to get a lot to get done around here. As you can see, even the set has changed a little bit. Still got the same walls, but some of this background and the desk and stuff has changed. So had to go through a lot of changes in my life in the last couple of months. Not thanks to COVID or anything else, but you know what? All things are back to normal now, I hope. And we're going to try and get some more reviews going here. Got a lot of stuff going. Going to talk about maybe some hardware news or just maybe some news in general. Put up a couple of things here or there. Really going to have to try and get some things, really go back and going with you. Because you know what? I really kind of missed you guys, and I hope that you missed me. Please remember to subscribe, like the videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.